Good morning. So, full fat or 0% fat foods? That was a question that came up yesterday in our 5-day kickstart, probably about 5 times, maybe 6 times. So I thought I'd cover it on here as a one-off as well. So it really depends. If it's Greek yogurt, which was it, or natural yogurt, which it was on many occasions yesterday, then it really depends on your overall calories throughout the day and your preference. So one of the parts of the question said, are there additives added into 0% yogurts? I thought that was bad. So in a nutshell, 0% Greek yogurt and natural yogurt are just essentially more milk poured in, fat skimmed away. So there's more milk poured in and then the fat is just simply skimmed away, which just means you have more protein, more calcium, more potential iodine as well, more B vitamins if you like, in the 0% Greek yogurt than the full fat. More protein, which is always a good thing. So protein per calorie comes up. So if you're trying to increase your protein portion, especially as we age, which you need more of, then this could be a good way of doing it. Plus, for me, for example, I do prefer full fat yogurt taste-wise. However, if I'm trying to balance my calories through the day, balance my food intake, and I really like cheese, right? So if I go for 0% Greek yogurt, I allow myself more flexibility to have some cheese later. So really, I like 0% Greek yogurt because that gives me a lot of protein, low fat. So therefore, later on, I've got a bit more flexibility to add that fat to my diet, because fat isn't all bad. We need some, but like anything, too much can then be an issue, can bump our calories up. And to get enough protein in, then we're then having to eat a lot more fat. So it really depends on your diet over the day. You know, equally, if someone loves nuts, seeds, things like avocados, olives, olive oil in their diet, peanut butter, where there's lots of fat intake in there, they might go, you know what, I'm willing to sacrifice the fat in Greek yogurt to allow for this at another part of the day. And this is where it gets more flexible for you and creating a diet that's suitable for you. And that's the key thing. Can we do something that allows you to be persistent, that allows you to be flexible, but gives you some structure as well? So that's my 2 cents on that. If it's more 0% and there's lots of processed ones, like high sugar ones, and yeah, they probably add sugar to it to taste it. But if you looking at the natural Greek yogurt, then absolutely fine. Go with what suits your goals right now. Go with what suits your overall food intake goals. That's going to be the key thing. Hope that helps. Any questions, let me know.